Hi guys, very good morning all. This is 2nd of January 2026. Here we are live through our channel for intraday and live market analysis of Indian markets. So now firstly let's see the Nifty. Nifty is giving us a flat opening. So we are still in the range of yesterday and similarly the Bank Nifty as well. But we are seeing somewhere the market in like Bank Nifty is opening a little bit higher. The markets are open now. Let's see how they respond in the initial minutes. Likewise, we'll also see some of the leading sectors which are actually leading the Nifty and which are leading Bank Nifty. So at first it will be a volatile time. So volatile time in the sense the range of movement will be so high. So let's give some time to settle down, and ITC has just got its level at 350. So I think this is the right time to invest at ITC. So it is giving good opportunities around the levels we have marked. So there will be no much of downside, guys. So as I explained in yesterday's video, two things mainly, fear and greed. So when it is the fear at the most, the greed starts to kick in. So carefully start investing in ITC. That is one important thing, guys. And let's see which sector is leading today. We are seeing auto sector. Now we are checking auto sector. TVS Motors. They have been in the gap up in the rally. So it's already overstretched. TVS Motors to knock another opportunity, it might take some time. So until then we have to wait. So let's see how it is looking for intraday. Intraday all the targets have been achieved over TVS Motors, but it's very risky at the moment to go on long. So we can see Maruti is also leading. Hero Motor Corp, M&M is also leading. So there is no 5-minute closure, so we have to wait another 4 minutes. Let's do that, and let's see all the other sectors as well. We are seeing BEL to be breaking the previous day range, so let's wait on that. We are seeing Dixon to be performing. India VIX is a bit up. Hong Kong market is up 2%. Korea market is up 1.5%. Hindalco is moving again. So I think Hindalco is trying to beat the resistance levels for the day. Let's wait. We are at MCX. There is a big fall in MCX. Astral, Godrej Properties, SBI Card. Voltas is leading. Voltas is on the good move. The gold has been rallying, and the silver is also like 2.5% up already, and again the gold is also up beautifully today. So yeah, this was a very good trade since 8 o'clock in the morning. So metal sector, Hind Copper is performing, guys. This stock has been rallying since days, and also the weekly candle at present is showing extreme bullishness. For the entire week it had some fall, but then the stock is beautifully showing its upturn journey. So Hindalco is also trying to move up. Let's wait. In some seconds there will be a 5-minute closing of the candles. It's a follow auto sector. They seem to be strong. Maruti, Hero Motor. So what happens is whenever there is a massive move in the initial 5 minutes, they always tend to go sideways. So that is the thing we are awaiting. The Bank Nifty is trying to break its high. I think Bank Nifty will be very bullish going forward with the support of the banks, the major banks, HDFC. Let's see them also. HDFC is giving the push on the upside for Bank Nifty today, and also Axis Bank, Kotak is giving bit of a push. Looks like ICICI Bank is making its low on the daily chart as well. So we need some proper closures of these. Tata Motors. Another interesting investment is Tata Motors passenger vehicle, guys. So this stock has made a high of 680 and currently trading at 670, 370. This is not a worst stock, or this is not a failure company. You all guys know what Tata is to India and its economy. So you guys will be like very much shocked to see its return in upcoming 1 or 2 years. So this can easily take off the high of 710 or 11 it has made in its previous time. So Tata Motors also is one of the good achievement investment if you want to invest, like just like ITC suggestion. This is also one suggestion for you guys. So 370 to 350 range is the time to invest there. So now we'll see if there are still up movements in auto sector. Auto stocks are trying to still move on the upside, but let's be careful. Maruti is taking a dip. So M&M is again beating the highs. So MCX, Voltas, banks, HDFC Bank is resting for a bit. Let's wait. ICICI Bank, SBI, Hind Copper, energy sector, nothing, guys. Pharma sector, no leading stocks. Auto sector, M&M, we are looking at M&M. Need just a retest of the level around 3774, or at least a retest of 3782 levels. So either this level for which I am adding alert should be the levels triggered over there. Then we can try to take entries in the dip, but not currently. So the structure on Hero MotoCorp is looking good, but we need a solid dip again. Maybe this might continue till 6015, but I see the strength depreciating slowly. Let's wait for some time. The idea is not to be in a hurry and make a foolish mistake. So I'll just be on mute for some time, guys. I think no opportunities are knocking yet. If there are any, I'll just unmute and come back live. Hi guys, I have just made entry with this Hindalco stock for its movement and strength. It is showing around the resistance level for the day. So we need strength around the resistance for its up move. So we have currently made small entry and position in Hindalco. We will be looking to exit it early itself because the stretch is already more. Any time it can go into the retracement phase. So we would like to be safe. We have entered 900 call option in Hindalco, and we are pretty much moved up from the buy level. So currently we are looking for some targets around 28. It is trading around 27.3, 27.2. So we are waiting if this level can be broken, like 27.3 or 27.5 can be broken. If that looks tough, we might have to exit. A small position in Hindalco, guys. Let's see. We'll see parallelly if other metal stocks are also performing. We are seeing some good movement in Hind Copper as well. So there is a new 5-minute candle which has opened like 30 seconds back, and there has been small retracement that is happening for the formation of lower wick in the candle. So we have to wait and give time for the market, then it will surely move. I think, guys, Hindalco is moving up pretty good, and I have just upsized my position for this scalp. If there is a good movement, a tick on the upside for some time, I'll just be trying to exit that trade very early itself. I'm just waiting for the market in Hindalco to reach 910 levels somewhere here. So 910 can also be a good resistance, as it's a psychologically like round number. So we'll wait. The option is making its high, and the option movement is looking fine, but we need confirmations on this chart. So that is equally important for us. So we are waiting. Let's see. The candle of 5 minutes gets important at the last 1.5 minutes. So Hind Copper is the one which we were seeing. They're also pretty good, but we are seeing some fall in the Hindalco. Let's see how it wants to pick its pace. If you have known me, guys, I would not hesitate to exit very fast and re-enter the trade again if something is not holding to our side and to our analysis. So I'll be just ready with my exit pad as well, because it's 15 minutes up in some up move. Now it can turn into a sideways thing, so that will not be a welcome and a happy thing for us. So wait. Let's wait. Currently the price is trading over the levels at which we have bought, so we are a bit less concerned. But once it starts to move on the lower side like this, that is when we will be in trouble. So let's see. We are also parallelly looking to uh, put a stop loss for this trade. Um, let's see the action around the moving average, what we have kept as reference. Let's see how it wants to play out there. If that play is not fine, guys, I'll be just exiting it right away, because see, I can hold it in a loss, it's not a thing, but it would be a mental blocker kind of a thing, and I'll not be able to encash if there are any good trades out there. So taking a small loss is better than regretting a big loss. So let's see. The bank nifty is performed completely. All of our resistance levels are met today itself. um, it's good for the markets. Let's see. I think guys Hindalco might take a big pace from here, but we will just know about it when the prices of the option 6 and 900 call option reaches 28. That is when we can be confirmed about the up move it will continue. As of now we can update a stop loss of 26.15 in Hindalco. So that is the low it has made in this previous fall here. So let's see, we'll give some time for this trade to trigger and act upon, but it is looking a bit risky as of now, because they can just try to fool some of the upside buyers and then make the market fall from here the moment like this, and it can fall because this becomes to be a resistance zone. So let's see if this is not happening, and then the market has a chance to beat its level and move it up like this. So there are two scenarios which can happen. So let's wait and watch, guys. The one thing for sure what we can do is we can look after our stop loss and regularly update and upgrade them, so that you lose less money in the market. Without losing you can't make money. So that's why safety of your capital will be the number one priority for everyone who is a beginner like me and you. So the option prices are trying to move on the upside, but there is equally opposing sellers. So the movement what you guys are seeing is not a happy one, because the candle moves have become very small compared to this candle. This candle, there were bigger up green candles. Now we are currently seeing smaller candles. So let's see how this wants to play. A sure break above 910. Yes guys, our option premiums are moving extraordinarily well. We want this to hold, we don't want this to get back into the zone. Now currently what I will do is I'll just trial my position to whatever I have paid to the market. So I'll be updating its stop loss so that I don't lose anything in the market now. Now my trade is risk free, guys. I don't want to look after this trade as well, because I have safeguarded my money whatsoever I have put in the market. Maybe some commission amount I might get a hit, but leaving that, it's fine for me. However it moves, whatever it moves, I'll not be so concerned. Let me see, I'll just keep an alert for Hindalco, saying the 913 level will be triggered today. If that is getting triggered, maybe I want to book whatever my trade is in. So let me hold it till then. I have safeguarded the money, and if it is moving like this also, I'll also lock my profits also. So it is not just I am risk free, I will also partially hold my capital. So I have kept the alert for Hindalco around the resistance day of 913.3. So the option premium around it is around 29, guys. I had paid, as I said, I had paid around 26 and change. So now I will be updating my stop loss to around 27.5. So that is I had updated at 27. Now I am locking 50 paisa more of it. So 50 paisa might look less, but the profits are good from there. So I don't think there is any resistance for this stock. This is the all-time high move of this stock. So let's see. I'll also just check another indicator. Okay, I can keep stop loss till here as well. So let me check if I have kept around the same level. I can still move my stop loss to 28 also. I think that is the good thing I can do. I'll just update my stop loss to 28.1 and 28. So see guys, now I have edited my stop loss to 28 and the price is at 29. My entry is at 27. I have logged 1 rupee of my profit. Okay, so when that is the case, it is good. Now see this rampant falls, this sudden unnatural falls will give you an edge to hold your trade. The prices like fell very fast now in the last 1 minute, so that will be a panic situation. And also my indicator also gave me an hit and an exit, so we are out of the trade now. So I had logged whatever the profits I could log, fearing that this could be the fall and this could be the thing. So I have booked some decent gains, not to feel sorry and bad about it. I have booked decent gains that I'll be showing at the end of the live. But until then, let's see. Until I'm live, let me try to catch any trades. So Nifty is getting a build up over the higher resistances. So this is a clear rise the market has given us from 30th December. So we can also scalp over here in this trade. The Hindalco trade is also again moving on the upside, but let us not be concentrating on that. The train has already passed and our entry, our setup is already gone over there. We cannot still try to enter that trade, so it will not be of a good trading strategy or a technique. So as I said, you can check back TVS Motors, guys. I had said about TVS Motors, whenever there is an initial up movement in the first 5 minutes, they move to sideways, right? That is what I had said in the beginning of the video. Now that is what it is happening. So let's be very careful. There might be some stock performing like this, Hero Motor Corp exceptionally. Also this M&M is also in sideways. Tata Motors also moved up in the first 5 minutes and now it is in sideways. So let's see if there are any other opportunities in our watch list. Oh, we are seeing MCX to be breaking its high currently. So MCX 2300 call would do good. So it is around 61 rupees, 62 rupees, which it is trading currently. The lot size is 625. I'm talking about MCX 27 Jan expiry 2300 call option. It is also in a good formation. The levels are tested. I think this level needs to be tested again. Let's see. So let's see MCX. Oh, I think the Bank Nifty is blasting, guys. Bank Nifty has broken 60,000 ka levels. I think it's on its blasting move on the upside. Let me check 60,000 call option and its movement. I think we might be interested in this stock option, index option trade. Currently 60,000 call option of January expiry is trading around 740. Just a minute, guys. Hi guys, as we spoke, the ICICI Bank is actually uh, giving its support to the Bank Nifty today, and also Nifty indirectly. So HDFC is also trying to give a move on the upside. Axis Bank is also giving. Kotak Bank is sideways. Okay, what is the main leader SBI doing? So SBI is also trying to move on the upside. So I just want to check another data from another website called Obstra. So let me just log into that, and I'll see what's the status over there, and I'll try to make a position. 60,000 call option has got some serious bullishness. It's good. It's good. It's good for the markets to continue its bull run. Let's see, will we be able to capitalize this bull run? We are seeing the resistance around 60,100. Okay. The bank nifty has broken all intraday resistance, guys. So that is one concern. And this candle is bit of fearsome because they are called exhaustion candles. Such sort of a candle has been given on 5 minute start, so that time will be a risky time to enter. But given the circumstances, if they are breaking with some good volumes and some good support from the banks, they can move well as well. So let's revisit the Hindalco and check what has happened. It's again in the sideways thing only. So I had just drew like this, so it has to take a support and go, or else they will make a rise and then fall. Now they're actually, I think, going on to the plan one. Let's see. Let's wait. Bank Nifty. What is the futures doing? Futures is also in good position. I think there is a 15-minute breakout. Okay. IT. Let's look at IT sector. ITs are actually made a good low and they are trying to come up. TCS is breaking its previous day high. They have given a good candle closing. The thing is, whenever IT and banks perform both together hand in hand, it would be a tough ask. I'll just be on mute, guys, for some time. I'll be back. Hi guys, we are seeing nothing but sideways movement in Bank Nifty. I called this to be an exhaustion candle. You guys can research on your own what does that mean. So that is why I was little hesitant to enter or make a position over there. So the same thing, same sideways is happening in Hindalco as well. We took a exit there because of this sideways thing, and we will not be very much interested when we are trying to catch a intraday move. If it moves to sideways, it will be the most difficult time to pass, because you are in the hope that the market goes up and it comes down, goes up. So it's not a good thing. So currently VEDL is also looking good, looking like it will break its current high for the day, that is around 611 rupees. So I'll try to equally keep the option uh, ready so that I can try to make an entry if there is any. So looks like VDL should break a good level on the upside. There is a interesting chart pattern that it is making on a 1 hour chart. It's called a double bottom. So the break of this so-called neckline is important on a hourly chart, which the market is showing. So will there be upside move for this? That is what it feels. Not so interested after looking the another chart. Let it perform. We have to give it time. Probably I'll visit it end of the day to check how it has performed. So I think that's it for the day. We don't have much things. We have tiny movements here and there of 1%, 1.5% happening. It's okay. Now this year we will mostly be concentrating on the positional picks of the stock, so that gives us time to do our other extra verticals of the business we are planning. So we want to make this trading risk free and also tension free, because when you are in tension you can't think wise, so you can't take your decisions well. So we want to keep this cool as possible. TVS, these are all missed trains that we are spotting currently. The right pick for TVS was around 3 to 4 days back. Uh, yeah, there has been an 7% upside movement. So that is all just positional, guys. You guys can't do it as an investment thing. Investments are only done whenever there is a great fall, like in ITC, right? Investments are made to be done like this only. You can never buy on a bull run. That's what happening in auto sector. It's been in a constant bull run since 2 months. We are not still sure how this is gonna perform. This rise in TVS Motors looks crazy because this is at an angle of 80%, 80 degrees. So they will move sideways for a long time if that continues. That's been in the past. That will repeat in the future. Hero Motor Corp fell bit. M&M is breaking the highs. That's it for the day, guys. As a ritual, I'll just show my P&L screen. So the positions made here was very one position, and I'll show you that. So this is the trade which we had taken, and I precisely mentioned what was the entry point and where I had trailed my stop loss. So this is my entry and exit. So that's the thing. Happy about the profit made for the day, and thank you guys.